What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the Daily Car Guy. My name is Thomas. Today I'm gonna be fitting the new wheels on the car. Got some new rubber on them yesterday, so it's a very exciting day. Can't wait to see it. We'll need to adjust the coilovers. I already know that because the tire will be sitting 3 centimeters higher. That's only temporary. Won't be able to fit the front because I'm still waiting on spacers for them. They will be spaced 2.5 centimeters in the front because they are not sitting wide enough. Talking about the beefy tire. So as you guys can see, they're too wide, but that's what I wanted. I'm gonna be making some wide body kit for it. Gonna make it myself, gonna take you along with it. Now I gotta get the car up a little bit more so I can drive it around in the garage. So guys, it's been around 3 hours and a half since I started. Passenger side is on, so that's good. But the driver's side, the coilover is stuck. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna pull it off, try and get it moving, but if it doesn't work, I'm gonna try to work with the original springs of the cars. But let's have a quick look on the passenger side, how the back looks. Obviously it needs more low. So this is just for taking measurements and having something to work off for the wide body kit I want to be making. After that the car will obviously be again a bit lower. So I'm gonna try off camera to fix the coilover on the driver's side. And when it's fixed, or when I have the possibility to get another back wheel on, I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, happy me again. Found a problem. Actually the thread got stuck. I think there was some dirt between it, but made a little casualty. Had to cut the ring off because I think the threads were screwed, because I found some pieces of the threading when I cut it. So for now I only have the second ring on there, but I won't be driving like that. It's just for sitting in the garage, maybe moving it a few feet, but that's it. Not gonna be driving on the road like that. Gonna search for a new ring, but at least now I can put it under, get the wheel under, and can start on the wide body kit. So
nothing can bring us down, 'cause we are together now. Not even time can stop us now, 'cause we are forever young.
Got the two sides fitted. Now I have an idea how I'm gonna need to make the kit. No, not gonna show you the underside. It looks kind of ridiculous when you look at it from the underside because it seems like the wheels are so far apart because they're wide, but actually they're even apart as when I drove with my small wheel. I got them both fitted. Gonna look for a ring for my coilover on the driver's side. Gonna clean up the garage a bit so I can get the car inside. And that will be it for today, but as you know, videos come in more parts. I'm gonna make this video itself 2 parts, so you will see 2 or 3 days of work in this video. And then after that, it's gonna be either a part 2, which it probably will, and even a part 3 on how I go about making the white body.
The next day.
Alright you guys, I'm ready to start on the white body kit. Gonna pull the car forward, remove the tail light, tape the side fully up, the back, so I can spray putty in there. I'm gonna start giving it a little form. Got this with me. These are the drawings of the Mk3 GTI pendant kit. That's what I'm gonna be using as a template.
And I'll never let it go. Yeah, just a few more chains and I will get away. Just a few more things I gotta get out my way. Nah, I'm never turning back. I know it sounds so bad, but baby I'm fired up. So hot I'm really burning. I feel the future getting brighter. I feel the future getting brighter. Baby I'm fired up. Baby I'm fired up. Baby I'm fired up. Baby I'm fired.
Gonna start taping the side up. Tape will be starting around here, all the way up, right to the window, all the way back. Tape all this up, the bumper.
Free, I'm almost free. And when I go, I'm never looking back. No, it sounds so bad, but baby I'm fired.
Got it all taped up. In my opinion, this would even be a nice wrap to have on a car. Looks pretty neat. Okay guys, I didn't want to take you along the painstaking process of me molding the cardboard and drawing lines on the tape I put. It was my first time, so when I do the other side I can take you along. Let me show you what I did. I put a piece of thin cardboard around the wheel, following the wheel well. And then I looked at my pictures and kinda made it like I want it to look. So that's how the wheel was gonna be. I drew a pencil line where the contours of the PU, or yeah, when it's finished the body kit will be.
the corner of the room.
Alright. It's nice and firm, I can cut it. So that's what I'm gonna start with right now. I'm gonna try to follow the body line here, and I'm gonna put a piece of tape to follow the body line, and then I can fill up all of this because this needs to come out a little bit more. As you can see, I'm trying to replicate the wide body tandem kit from the Mk3 GTI on here. Got a little shape in it. Gonna put some more foam on it, let it dry, and repeat the process until I'm happy with the result, but it's already looking pretty neat. Okay guys, the foam is hard. I already cut a small piece to try if it's dry or not. It's dry. So I'm gonna put you back on the time lapse. Gonna go further into cutting this time. The fender should be taking some nice shapes, so let's get on with it. Alright guys, did a lot of cutting off camera, but it's taking shape. I'm gonna cut a little more, then gonna spray foam it again. Foamed it up again, let it harden. Took a look at the pictures, got them on my phone now, so I can check them in the garage. Already noticed I made the sides too small. I need to beef them up a little. But yeah, this is how it looks now. I'm gonna go back to cutting.
Bad, but I like it. Like when you fuck with my mind.
Alright guys, I'm back. Just noticed the battery of the camera died. It's all pretty straightforward, just been cutting and sanding away at the foam. It's taking shape now. It's looking pretty nice. This is what I expect of a wide body. Also made the cutout. This is where I'm gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you like what I'm doing. Hope you can learn something from it. Just when you wanna do it, just do it. When you cut too much, spray a little more foam on it and go at it again. So, hope you like the footage. Hope you like the videos I'm making. If you do, leave a like, drop a comment if you have any questions. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.